What's goody? It's your girl, Salmon to God. Buzz it. Buzz it. Hey! Okay. So, get into this bun. Yes, hello. Yarn, okay? What do you think we about to do? We about to. Oh, what? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, y'all know what's going on. A little cameo from Onyx. Look at him, ready, pressed. Pressed. He's like, what is this? Yo, Temptations, bruh. It's like crack. I'm certain they put some kind of crack for cats in there because look at him, pressed. Tail up. And this is how it goes. Anytime I'm looking for him, let's say I'm trying to find him in the house, I just grab the bag, shake it up, and then boom, there he is. Look, look. Look at how he grabs onto me. Hold up, show you. Look at him, paw. Look at the paw. Pressed. Yes, standing all the way up. Okay, anyways, yes, taking down this bun for the purpose of, well, get into it real quick, okay? Yep. Just giving us all an opportunity to take in these tresses. Hello. Okay, anyway, so yes, I'm looking for the different locks that have yarn wrapped around them because so many people have been asking me, hey, how did you get color in your hair like that? And it's because of yarn. So I'm just looking for the ones, getting my supplies together so that I can show you guys how I do it. So looking, that one's purple, look. For some reason, I couldn't see them in the camera. So I was just throwing my hair around, hoping that it was getting caught. Looks like it was, because I can see them. I can see them now. But yes, as you can see, look at Onyx. Yes, as you can see, I have blue and purple in my hair. Those are my two favorite colors. And so, yeah, look. Yes. All right, so I think I'm ready. I had to move the Temptations treats because Onyx was OD trying to bust it open again. Look at him. Just me trying to move it away, he comes. So, of course, I decided to just give him some, throw it somewhere. Look at his tail, look. Like, fiending. Look, wow. Yeah, I swear, yo, they put some kind of crack in that joint. Something's in there. Look. Oh my gosh, Onyx. Yep. Yeah, so that'll keep him occupied for a while. That was just for the folks who are always like, oh my gosh, we love him. Cat cameos. So, I had to do it for the one time because I need y'all to see how he acts. Anyways, there in my yarn, I decided to go with blue. So now I'm just looking for a lock that I will use. There's the one. Found her. All right, so we're just about to tie up my hair real quick. Tie it up. Easy. Boom. A look. Cute. All right, yes. Blue yarn for today. Let's open it up. Yeah. Bust it. Okay, let me move this out the way because he was really, look, really pressed for that bag. All right, so long piece of yarn for this. I like to give myself some room for error just in case I want to double back or something. I've learned the hard way. So yes, I'd rather have too much than too little. So you make it even, double it up, make it even. And then we're going to make a slip knot. So as you see, I cross the pieces and then the bottom piece, bottom piece goes through and you grab it, pull. I hope that made sense. And then you're going to pull it to make the hole small enough to fit the lock through, right? So I usually wrap it around my finger, as wide as my finger is good. And then we're gonna put it in. There we go. Shimmy. tie it secure. And now we're going to use the double strings to wrap it around, okay? So I like to give myself a little base, so I'll wrap it around at the top a few times before I start the actual design. So that should be good enough. Yes, wrapping it down. So I go in a diagonal direction and I twist it in the same direction that I palm roll in so that it doesn't unravel. So we're going down in a diagonal direction. Sometimes I have to like redo it just to make it perfect. So, yep, going down, spin, spin. Take your time. And this is if you want the crisscross look. Some people just wrap it straight all the way down, but I'm doing diagonal so that I can make it into an X. All right, so now wrap it going in the opposite direction. So you have to like pay attention to what you're doing so that you make sure that each part of it is crossing over, like nothing about it is sloppy. If you're deliberately trying to make it look like crisscross, then you have to be vigilant with how you wrap. But it's easy, clearly. Just there you go, get it back at the top. And then we're going to, oh, look, so cute. That's why I do it, y'all. It's so cute. It's a little accent in my hair. And you can do this obviously with any color. I double it up because it makes the color more pronounced. And then we tie a knot around. I tie a knot like maybe 3 or so times. Just tie it around the lock a few times before cutting it. So that should be good. Cut. All right, and then we're going to tie those two pieces together some more. Do that like another 2 or 3 times. Tie, tie. Yep. Okay, so it's a struggle with these long ass nails. I need to cut my nails down because anyway, so yeah, that should be good. Now I'm going to cut that extra piece of yarn off and produce the final look. Cut. Sometimes I'll leave that little bushy piece, well, after I make it more precise. I'll leave that little piece that's hanging out and then just like use my nail or like a tweezer to tuck it in. But as you can see, you can't really tell that it's there. Look, yay, look. Hey, get light, get light. Yes, make it shake. All right, look at that, mad cute. I'm hype. Yes. Okay, so now you see it. This is how I get the yarn in my hair. Very simple. As you can see, I'm kind of like ratchet about the way that I do it. Like there's no perfect technique. I just do what makes sense and then make it look like how I want it to look, and then just tie it off, cut it, boom, and there we go. Now I got these, well, I didn't use purple, I used blue, but I got these from Michael's craft store. If you guys know about Michael's, you lit. If you don't have a Michael's around you, just any craft store in the region should have yarn, and it's mad cheap. Like, I didn't spend more than $5 on the both of them together. And yeah, and I've had them for like a couple years now because it doesn't take much and it lasts in my hair. Like I've had these in my hair for about a year and some change now. Chilling. It only comes out if I'm ready to cut it out. I'll just find a little part of it that's like loose enough. There you go, right under there. I'll just take my scissors and cut and then just unravel. So now you know. And now you see that you can do it too. Awooga! All right, y'all. Thank you for tuning in with me for this quick little tutorial moments, okay? Real quick, real concise, hopefully. I hope it helped you guys. And yeah, I wasn't planning on adding more color to my hair, but just for the sake of showing you guys how I do it, so now you know that you can do it too. All right, y'all, so catch you next time. Bye.